Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Mr.Meeseeks from Rick and Morty. Let's get started at the top of our page with the eyes. So I'm going to start on the left side of center with a circle. Starting from the top, work our way around. Now I'm going to leave a small gap in the center and do the same thing on the right. So I'm going to line up the top of the eye and draw that same size circle. Now at the top of each eye I'm going to draw a smaller circle for a highlight. So starting at the top, we'll just circle around, and at the top of the right eye, and then we're just going to fill the bottom part of the eye in black. Now we're going to move up above the eyes and draw in the eyebrow. So directly above the left eye, we're going to go up here. Starting on the outside, we're going to curve up and then in. Now on the right side, I'm just going to drop the eyebrow down and curve it in the opposite direction. So starting from the inside edge of the right eye, we're going to step up, curve down, and then out. Now we want to give him a really large smile. So let's start on the left side here. We're going to curve down in the middle and then back up on the right. And then just on the outside edge of the mouth, we're going to draw in a little smile line. So we don't want to be touching the side of the mouth, we're going to go around it like a bracket. Starting at the top, we'll go around and back in. And then on the right side, we're going to go in the opposite direction. Now directly below the mouth, down here, we're going to draw a little curve for the chin. Starting from the left, curve down, and then back up. Now that we've drawn the face, let's draw on the outside of the head. So directly below the chin on the left side, I want to curve out, around the mouth, and up towards the top. Going around, we're going to go up towards the top. Now we're going to bring this around on the right side. Around the right side of the mouth, and then directly below the chin. Now he's got a little bit of hair at the top here, so we're going to start on the left side of center. We're going to go out with a curve, and then pull that back in. We're going to draw another one, we're going to go up, and then back down. Now we're just going to rotate these as we go over towards the right. Go up towards the right. I'm going to bring this down a little bit further. Draw a smaller one on the end, going out, and then down in behind the head. Now that we've drawn the head, let's work in the body. So just directly below the head on the left side, we're going to curve out. We're going to pull it down, and then we're going to pull that back in slightly. We're going to do the same thing on the right side in the opposite direction. So lining at the top, go out, and at the bottom we're just going to pull it back in. Now in between these 2 points, we're going to leave a gap on either side and just draw a little curve in the middle for the lower torso. From the end of the lower torso, we're going to curve out and then down towards the heel. So let's start on the left side. We're going to go out and then pull that down. Do the same thing on the right, going out and then pulling that down. We're going to round out the bottom of the feet. So from the heel, we're going to curve down and then back up. Do the same thing on the right. Now from the toes, we're going to curve up the top of the foot. So from the left side, we're going to curve up and aim towards the heel, but we're not going to go all the way. We're just going to go up towards the top and then just pull it down a little. Do the same thing on the right, going up, aiming towards the heel, and stopping right about there. Now from the hips, we're going to curve out and then down towards the top of the foot. So the leg gets wider as we come down towards the bottom. Go out and then down. Now let's move back up and draw on the arms. So I'm going to have the arms on the hips. So we're going to start with the inside edge of the upper arm. Starting from the side of the body, we're going to curve out and then down. We'll do the same thing on the right, going out and then down. Now we're going to curve in towards the hip. So starting on the left, we're going to go down and then just pull that in. Now we're going to move to the outside and draw the outer part of the arm. So from here, we're going to step up underneath the head. We're going to follow that same curve, going out towards the elbow. So we're going to line up this point with the inside, going across. Do the same thing with the right, going out and then down. Now we're going to draw on the bottom part of the forearm. Now the forearm gets a little bit wider as you come down towards the wrist. So from the elbow, I'm going to curve down and just pull that into about here. I'm going to leave a little bit of space for the palm. Do the same thing on the right, curve down and then in. Now going back to the left side, I want to draw a curve for the palm. So from this point, I'm going to step up, curve down, and we're gonna pull that in. Again, leaving a little bit of space on the inside. We do the same thing on the right. Stepping up, curve over that line, and then pull that in. Now we're just gonna wrap the fingers around the palm. So starting right where the arm meets the palm, curve out, go around, and then pull it up in behind the body. Do the same thing on the right, going around, and then up in behind the body. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Mr. Meeseeks from Rick and Morty. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.